Whoa, very nice.
How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to install a butcher block countertop. When we first moved into this house, I bought two separate kitchen units that weren't the same size. But my wife, and I quote, hated it with the fire of 1,000 suns. Okay, she didn't say that, but she did hate it. So we decided to install a butcher block countertop. We headed over to our local home center and had a wooden slab cut to size. I'm going to run my router along the edges just to soften the edges a bit. I'm gonna smooth everything out with a 120 grit sandpaper. This is an oil-based stain I'm going to use to waterproof the slab. This oil is not food safe. I suggest using a tung oil or a mineral oil. If you're going to be using this to prepare food on, this is purely for aesthetics, so not too worried about this stain being food safe or not. Be sure to check your labeling just to make sure it is food safe before applying it onto your countertop. I also cut and stained a piece of 2x2 that I'm going to use as support for the countertop. I'm just going to stick this onto the lower counter with some double-sided adhesive tape. This is Gorilla Tape. It's a real cheap and easy way to do this. I wanted the option of moving this countertop around, so taping it I felt was the best decision. The space created using this 2x2 under this countertop is going to give me an area to put all my sheet pans. Right here, I'm just gonna dry fit the countertop, make sure everything is lined up properly. I forgot to mention, I waited a full week before I handled this countertop again. I wanted it to fully cure before I set it into place. Once I have it where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and stick down some double-sided adhesive tape onto the countertop. You can use construction adhesive here if you want, but like I said, I wanted the option of moving this around if I felt like I wanted to use it somewhere else. This is the Gorilla brand adhesive tape, so you only really have one shot at this because once you lay it down, this thing is not going anywhere. And that's it. I think it looks great, but let's see what the wife thinks. What you think?
Whoa, very nice. Very nice. Don't you think?
Looks good? Yeah.
Yeah.
What you think?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Good.
Like it.
We did it. Alright, the wife doesn't hate it. Awesome. A real quick and easy way to install this kind of countertop. I was able to finish this over the weekend. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for staying until the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can see more. Until then, mahalo and aloha.